Let's make the rum around and find out. Before we make this drink, I'm going to give you a quick note. I'm going to make a double. The official glass for this drink is a pineapple-shaped glass. I could not find any online, but note that when they made it with the official recipe, the official proportions, it fit in perfectly. However, since I couldn't find that and I wanted to use my glass tiki mug, that's a glass tiki glass that I got from Psycho Susie's, rest in peace Psycho Susie's, and it fills up about half when I use the proportions I give. So I'm going to make a double. Note that when I start pouring. We'll see if I make any mistakes. To make this drink, I am going to start with the coconut oil fat washed Captain Morgan Spiced Rum. The official recipe calls for 1.5 ounces. Because I'm making a double, I'm going to do 3 ounces. An ounce and a half is 45 milliliters, while 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. And I did fat wash this rum myself. The recipe is here on the channel if you want to check it out and if you want to make this on your own. Recipe calls for an ounce of lime juice, so I'm putting in a full ounce. An ounce is 15 milliliters. Full ounce is 30 milliliters. An ounce of pineapple juice, so I'm putting in a full ounce, 15 milliliters and 30 milliliters. Recipe calls for an ounce of passion fruit juice. I'm putting in a full ounce, 15 milliliters or 30 milliliters. So for me, 30. Then an ounce of Demerara syrup. So I'm putting in a full ounce. Note that this is a 1-to-1 Demerara syrup. And again, I make my own syrup, so if you want to check out that recipe, I'll link it down below. So an ounce is 15 milliliters, I'm putting in 30 milliliters. Add your ice. That's a full shaker. We'll give it a shake. Get your glass. I'm going to open pour into here, if I can get that off. The reason I like cobbler shakers more than Boston shakers is because I can usually get the lid off easier. This is not coming off. I'll be with you in just a moment. Oh, there we go. Open pour into your glass. Yeah, that fits nicely. Add a straw. And a garnish. Every time I ordered this drink, it came back with different garnishes. So I'm going to tell you what I use. You feel free to be creative with them. I've got a lime wheel. It's not staying up. Or RIP, Psycho Susie's. Maraschino cherry. And a pineapple leaf. So pretty. And there you have it. A double of a rum around and find out from the Handsome Hog. Drink with good spirits. Just like I remembered.